Yeah, it still looks like nighttime, but I swear it's not. It's just daylight savings. All right, this is the Unit 2, Lesson 10 retrieval in our packet. It's on page 90. Okay, first set of questions. Create a graph and explicit equation for the given information. The first term is 2, and each term increases by 3. Okay, so I'm going to make my x and y axis here. It says the first term is 2. I'm not sure if that's supposed to mean like step 0 or step 1. I'm going to assume that this means step 0. So step 0 is 2. And each term increases by 3. So step 1, I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3. And that's all that's going to fit, I guess. There we go. Beautiful. Wow, look at that straight line. It's beautiful, right? Well, it's the best straight line I've ever drawn. All right, so I think I have everything. F of n equals, starting value is 2. We are adding 3 each step, and I'm going to do n because we're starting at step 0. Okay, next, here's my x and y axis. The first term is 2, and each term increases by 3 times the previous term. Interesting. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? I can already tell that this isn't going to fit on the graph. I'm going to put the x-axis down here so that I have a little bit more room. So we're starting at 2, so that's right here. Maybe I'll make a little table to help me. Increases by 3 times the previous term. Okay, I just cut like 3 minutes of me struggling to figure out this wording. I think this is a little confusing. What they mean is that it's being multiplied by 3 each time. Don't worry, I will cut the whole part where I tried something else and it didn't work and then I had to look at the answer key. I'll cut that. 3 times the previous term doesn't make sense. It's being multiplied by 3. Okay, so we start at 2 times 3 would get us to 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Times 3 would get us to 18. I don't think that's going to fit on here. It's not. What do you know? Wow, this problem is terrible. I know that since it's multiplying, it's going to be a curve, not a straight line. And then my equation is f of n equals, starting value is 2, times 3 raised to the n. I don't know, confusing wording, graph isn't big enough. I'm going to leave it in this video, but I do not like this problem. Just let the record show I don't like this problem. Okay, next, rewrite each expression by combining like terms. So I'm going to start the same way as we did in the last retrieval video with distributing. So 24 stays the same. Negative 10 times 2x is negative 20x. Negative 10 times 8 is negative 80. All this stays the same. Then I'm going to look for common terms, or sorry, like terms. So 24, negative 80, and 62 are all like terms, and then negative 20x and positive 7x. Those are like terms. So these combine into negative 13x. Everything else, plus 6. Definitely didn't leave my calculator in the other room. Definitely didn't make that mistake. Okay, distributing here, 14x plus 7. This stays the same. And then distributing here, negative 9x and then minus 3. Don't forget that that negative gets multiplied as well. Okay, 14x, negative 5x, negative 9x, all like terms. And then 7, negative 3 are like terms. So 14 minus 5 minus 9 is 0. So those just kind of cancel out. And we're left with 4. How many times have I checked the answer key for this video? Yep, it's just 4. Some weird typo energy with this retrieval, but there we go. Cool.